Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Abhi Unico Bro. We're thrilled to have you here and hope you'll find our content interesting and valuable. Weight loss can be a challenging journey, but it doesn't always have to be. There are several ways to lose weight effectively and safely, without leaving the comfort of your home. In this article, we will be discussing the 5 best weight loss tips you can try at home. These tips are simple yet effective and can help you lose weight naturally and sustainably. 1. Follow a balanced diet. Diet plays a crucial role in weight loss. Eating a balanced diet is essential to lose weight naturally and sustainably. A balanced diet should include all the macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and fats, in the right proportions. The right balance of macronutrients can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating. Here are some tips to follow a balanced diet. A. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Aim to include at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables in your diet. B. Choose whole grains. Whole grains are high in fiber and other nutrients. They can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating. Choose whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. C. Include lean protein. Lean protein such as chicken, fish, and tofu can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating. Aim to include lean protein in every meal. D. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and added sugars. They can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Limit your intake of processed foods and choose whole, natural foods instead. A. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the chances of overeating. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. 1. Exercise regularly. Exercise is an essential component of weight loss. Regular exercise can help you burn calories, improve your metabolism, and build lean muscle mass. You don't need a gym membership or fancy equipment to exercise at home. Here are some tips to exercise regularly at home. A. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise such as walking, jogging, cycling, and jumping jacks can help you burn calories and improve your metabolism. Aim to do at least 30 minutes of cardiovascular exercise every day. B. Strength training. Strength training can help you build lean muscle mass, which can boost your metabolism and help you burn more calories. You can do strength training exercises such as push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks at home. C. Yoga. Yoga can help you improve your flexibility, strength, and balance. It can also help you reduce stress, which can contribute to weight gain. You can follow online yoga classes or use a yoga app to practice yoga at home. 1. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a powerful tool for weight loss. It involves paying attention to your food and your body's hunger and fullness signals. Mindful eating can help you enjoy your food more, reduce overeating, and improve your overall health. Here are some tips to practice mindful eating. A. Slow down. Eating slowly can help you enjoy your food more and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Take your time to savor your food and enjoy each bite. B. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're full. C. Avoid distractions. Avoid distractions such as TV, phone, or computer while eating. Focus on your food and enjoy the experience. D. Practice gratitude. Practice gratitude before eating. Take a moment to appreciate your food and the effort that went into preparing it. A. Be present. Be present while eating. Focus on the flavors, textures, and aromas of your food. Pay attention to how it makes you feel. F. Avoid emotional eating. Avoid using food as a way to cope with emotions such as stress, boredom, or anxiety. Find other ways to manage your emotions such as exercise, meditation, or talking to a friend. 1. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is essential for weight loss. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones, increase your appetite, and lead to weight gain. Here are some tips to get enough sleep. A. Stick to a sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. B. Create a sleep-friendly environment. Create a sleep-friendly environment by keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. C. Avoid stimulants. Avoid stimulants such as caffeine, nicotine, and alcohol before bedtime. D. Relax before bedtime. Relax before bedtime by reading a book, taking a warm bath, or listening to calming music. A. Limit screen time. Limit your screen time before bedtime. The blue light from electronic devices can disrupt your sleep. 1. Manage stress. Stress can contribute to weight gain by increasing your appetite and disrupting your hormones. Managing stress is essential for weight loss. Here are some tips to manage stress. A. Exercise. Exercise can help you reduce stress and improve your mood. B. Practice relaxation techniques. Practice relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. C. Spend time with friends and family. Spending time with friends and family can help you reduce stress and improve your mood. D. Get a hobby. Getting a hobby can help you relax and reduce stress. A. Seek professional help. If you're struggling to manage stress on your own, seek professional help from a therapist or counselor. Conclusion. Losing weight doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With these 5 tips, you can lose weight naturally and sustainably from the comfort of your home. Remember to follow a balanced diet, exercise regularly, practice mindful eating, get enough sleep, and manage stress. These tips can help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health and well-being. Thank you for taking the time to visit our channel, and we hope you'll stick around and join our community. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.